Hello grade 5 children. In today's session we are going to discuss the pages from 98 to 107 in your studio book. Now just see the page number 98, 4.5. Find if the results are equal by rounding off to the highest place. So we have to round off the numbers to the highest place and we have to check whether the results are equal or not. So 10,013. So if you are rounding off 10,013, you will get the answer as 10,000. And if you round off 100, you will get the answer as 100. So now I am going to do the division. 10,000 divided by 100. Yes. So if you are taking, don't bother about the place value. Yes, 1 times 100, 100. So if you are subtracting, you will get the 0. Then bring down 0 again. So 0 is less than 100. So put 0 in the quotient place. Then again also 0. Then 0 into 100, you will get the answer as 0. So here I have done the long division. So like this you also do it. Now just move on to the next page, page number 99. So just see the B sum, 153 minus 50. If you round off 153, you will get the answer as 150. And if you round off 50, you will get the answer as 50. And after subtracting, the result is 100. Then here 23, if you round off, the answer is 20. If you round off 5, you will get 5. So 2 5s are 10. So 0 into 5, 0. So it is 100. Then 42, if you round off 40, then 58 round off pannina, you will get 60. So if you add both, you will get the answer as 100. Then see the E sum, 40, it's a whole number, so 40, so 60. So if you add both the number, you will get the answer as 100. So now just compare all the answers. Are the results equal? Yes. All the answers are equal. The answer is 100. So you have to tick the answer as yes. Now just come to 4.6, look beyond. Add 2 more sets of problem with addition, subtraction, multiplication or division like in activity 4.5. So you can do the 4 basic arithmetic operation and like in 4.5, when the result is round off, it should be close to 100. So above in activity 4.5, you have to take some numbers and you have to do the calculation here. This is your self work. So you can any number that should be close to 100. Now just take page number 100. Let's get back to Tinu's story. So Tinu, you know very well, it's the name of a butterfly. Once near Tamil Nadu, her group will split into 13 smaller groups. So split means we have to do division. So 13 smaller groups we are going to split. So if each group were to have the same number, how many butterflies will Tinu's group have? So same number of butterfly only we are going to split. So it is 13. So to split we have to do the division. Yes. So if the space is not enough, you can take a sheet of paper and you can do it and you can paste neatly in your book. So here 1 times 13 I have taken. So 2 times if you are taking, you will write as 26. So 2 13s are 26. If you are subtracting, you will get the answer as 12. Then bring down 0 because 12 is less than 13. So 120. So 9 13s are 117. So if you subtracting this 2 number, you will get the answer as 3. Then bring down the next 0. So it is 30. So 2 times 13, it is 26 again. So if you are subtracting, you will get 4. Then bring down 0. So it is 40. So how many 13s are there in 40? Yes, 3 13s are 39. Here the space is not enough. You can use a sheet of paper to do this calculation, but you have to paste in your book neatly. And 40 minus 39 is 1. So remaining 1 0 I brought down. So the remainder is 10. So we can't do the further division because there is no number and we got the remainder as 10. It is less than 13. So put 0. So the answer is 1,29,230. Now just see the next question. During Tinu's mother's journey, 12 groups of 1,45,010 butterflies reached their home. So group of butterflies are traveling. How many butterflies reached home? Many is a keyword for multiplication. So here they have done, they have given the symbol multiplication, and here I am going to do the calculation. See, 0 into 2 0, then 1 into 2 2, then again 0 into 2 0. So then 5 2s are 10. So carry over 1. So 4 2s are 8, 9, then 1 2s are 2. So first I have completed. To multiply in the tens place, we are going to multiply by 1. So you will get the same answer. Any number multiplied by 1, you will get the same answer. So if you add this 2 numbers, so while doing multiplication we used to do addition. Yes. So if you add this 2 number, you will get the answer as 17,40,120. So here I have done for the clear view. You can refer this sheet of paper. Now just move on to the next page. Find the solution to the given problem by rounding off the numbers to the highest place. So here also we are going to round off to the highest place in 4.7, and this part is your self work. And if you round off 1 lakh 1, you will get the answer as 1 lakh. And if you round off 10, your answer is 10. And here 50,000, if you round off, you will get the answer as 50,000, and 26 as 30, and 69,630 to a round off funding, and you will get the answer as 70,000, or if you can take 69,000 also, no problem in that. So 129 as 130. So this is your self-work part. Now just take the next page. Find an approximate value for the problem and explain your working. Already one has been done for you. However, I'll explain 4.8. So here you have to write how will you approximate each number, and here we are going to write the approximation value and we are going to do the operations. So the problem 1 has been given. So as a normal addition you have to do here, and you will get the answer like this. Already we have seen in our online session. So by rounding off 72, you will get the answer as 70, and second number is 10 lakh, and third number is 1 lakh. So after adding, you will get the answer like this. So it is closer to the actual value, right? Yes, but not the exact value. That's the approximation. And next sum also you have to do the normal addition. So by rounding off the first number, you will get the answer as 1 crore. And by rounding off the next number also, you will get the answer as 1 crore. And third number as 10 lakh. Yes, after adding these three numbers, you will get the answer as 21 crore. This is the answer. And remaining sums are your self-work. However, I'll explain the third sum. The question is 56,005 into 55. So I have done this in a paper. I'll show to you. 5 into 5, 25, carry over to 0 into 5, 0, so plus 2, 2, 0 into 5, 0, 6 5s are 30, 0, carry over 3, so 5 5s are 25, plus 3, 28. So again, if you are multiplying by 5, you will get the same answer which we multiplied above. So I have written the same answer. So for multiplication, we will do the addition. So after doing the addition, the result is this. The answer already we have found, so I'm just writing the answer here in the box. You have to do in a sheet of paper and you have to paste it. So next, for finding the approximation value, I have rounded off directly. So by multiplying, so 56,005 you are rounding off, you will get the answer as 60,000, and 55 you will get 60. So I have done direct multiplication, 6 into 6, 36. After that, I add 5 zeros. So next you have to do the division problem. And this is for your self-work. And see the next page, the subtraction also for your self-work. You have to do it, and just see the next part. Find the area of the shape on the square grid. So the missing squares are 12. So what is mean by area? The space occupied inside. Now just move on to the next page. How can I use approximation to check if my solutions are correct? So how will we use the approximation? To verify the answer, to verify the result. Next one is PEP. Ramu read this data in the newspaper. And here some data has been given for you. Election data from Mirpur. Party A got 97,900. Party B got 69,135. Party C got 965 votes. There were 100 polling booths. Each polling booth got an equal number of voters. 4 officials were need to monitor 1 polling booth. So here it is a data given. So he calculated some fact using this data. So we have to check whether it is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Yes, so first one, 400 officials monitoring the polling booths. So 100 polling booths and here 400. So when we multiply by 4, we get. So the answer is multiplication. Party A got 28,765 votes more than part B. So more than, it is a keyword for subtraction. Next, totally means addition. Then party A got 978 votes per polling booth. Whenever we are calculating for one or per, we have to do division. Now just see, look around of next page. List 2 other places where you can find big numbers and operations involve them. You have to write in the dash. Next, list 2 other places where results have been calculated very accurately. Already we have seen regarding this, you have to answer here. So now just see the quick tips. Addition and multiplication results are always higher than the numbers added or multiplied. So addition and multiplication results will be always higher than the numbers added or multiplied. So now just see the numbers which is given here, 1500 into 25. The answer is 37,500. And here it is greater than both the question. So it is right. See the next one, 97,916 plus 69,135 plus 949, which gives 16,800. It is wrong. Why? Because if you add 97,000 with any other number, you will get more than that, not less than that. So it is wrong. So I have given the reason, it is less than 97,916. Now just see the next page. Subtraction and division results are always lesser than the number from which we subtract another number or the number to be divided. Subtraction or division the result will be always lesser. Okay, that is the second rule. The third rule, a smaller number subtracted from a larger number, it gives a larger number. So 10 lakh minus 73, which is equal to 19,927. It is exactly wrong because 10 lakh is a very larger number compared to 73. So the answer should be very close to 10 lakh. See the fourth rule, a larger number subtracted from a equally larger number, it gives a smaller number. So equal a larger number number subtract panona, we will be getting the smaller number. So below to that 4.11 is a self work for you. See the first question. We have to see the number first. So 21,34,562 minus 99 gives 5,461. It is exactly wrong because 21,34,562 is a very big number. So you have to give the reason why. So what you have to write, 21,34,562 is much more bigger than 5,461. Remaining sums are your self-work. Now just move on to the next page. A very important tool to verify a solution is to check the answer by approximation. That's what we are doing. So 9,99,999 plus 30,303, which gives 1 lakh. So 9 lakh oda neenga edavadhu number add பண்ணும்போது it will be increasing, it won't be get decreasing. So the answer is wrong. So you have to write the answer as it will be more than 9,99,999. So you have to give the answer in this dash. How the answer is wrong? So we are going to do the sum here. After adding, this will be your answer. Next, to check, we are going to round off 9,99,000 to 10 lakh. So we are going to compare the answer for the approximation result. This will be your answer. Do this as a self work. Thank you children. We'll meet in our next class.